Let's go ahead and rate that box, rate that box, rate that box, rate that box. Welcome back to Saving Mamasita. Oh my goodness, you guys. Guess what? It's time for a brand new box. Brand new box. Brand new box. Brand new box. That's right, this is a brand new freaking box to Saving Mamasita. So amazingly excited to introduce to you a brand new box called Beachly. Warning, good vibes may be contagious. Beachly, this is a quarterly subscription box, so you are going to pay a little bit more for this type of box. However, the value is going to be very high on this box. So I'm so excited to offer a discount for those of you who are interested in jumping aboard the Beachly bandwagon. I can't wait to show you guys what's inside this box. Oh my goodness. So this box is gonna cost you, like I said, a little bit higher, $99 per quarter. However, the value is bomb.com, like very, very high. You're gonna be looking at least $350 or more on a box like this. Are you guys ready? We're gonna go ahead and unbox, and then we're gonna give Beachly their very first rating. That's right, so stay tuned for that after the unboxing. Let's go ahead and get into it. For those of you who are brand new to Saving Mamasita, I welcome you. Oh my goodness, we have so much fun here doing unboxings, monthly subscription box unboxings, quarterly, annually, from different niches, you name it, we unbox it right here at Saving Mamasita. In addition, we also love to do try-on hauls. So those are kind of our fun little thing that we like to do as well. So if you are interested in those, be sure to hit that subscribe button right down there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna include all of the items that are inside this box. I will include them in my description area so you are able to take a little look-see. Let me know what you think about these items, you guys, in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your opinion and, of course, your rating as well. So let's go ahead and unbox our very first Beachly. All right, you guys, so it comes in, it didn't come like this. It came in a separate bag. It had a bag over it. But I love the color of this box. It says vitamin C for your soul. On the top, it has the Beachly logo. And on the back, warning, good vibes may be contagious. We love good vibes here at Saving Mamasita. That is for certain. So open up the box. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. We got a coral color. It says, hello, sunshine. By ordering this box, you have helped protect and restore vital coastal ecosystems. Ooh, I like that. A portion of proceeds has been donated to our partner, Sea Trees, who will be using your donations to restore kelp forests in Southern California, plant mangrove trees all over the world, and more. Thank you for being a Beachly member and supporting the Sea Trees mission. Okay, so you know I said the price is a little bit higher for a quarterly box, but I love the fact that they donate a portion of this cost. So kudos to you, Beachly. Love that. All right, so here's what it looks like inside the box. Look at that. What I like to do is kind of take a little look and see if they have a brochure or anything like that. I am not seeing anything on there, and that's okay, totally okay. But what I will do then is you're gonna wanna make sure you look at my description area for sure to see each of these items and to take a look at the value of each item. Oh my goodness. We've got a pair of super cozy pants. Oh my gosh, perfect for this time of year or any time of year. I love wearing comfy clothes. It's my jam. And these are super soft. Look at that. It says Aloha Modern on the front. It has a drawstring tie, so you can adjust your tightness, or if you like them loose, you can do that. Aloha Modern is the brand. You can go to alohamodern.com. This is Aloha is a state of being, a way of knowing, a lens in which we see the world. We express Aloha Modern in cultural, contemporary, and honest ways. But you can tell that they are indeed high quality because of the material. So soft. The inside is super, super, super soft as well. I got these in a size medium large, so they're going to fit. I know that. The bottom has like not a real tight elastic around the ankle, but it's going to be more form-fitting and not that loose feel around the bottom. Needless to say, these are super cozy and I love the color. In addition, oh my gosh, look at this. This is a fun jacket. It could go over a top, you could wear it alone, however you wanted to do it. It does have a zipper that goes down like so. I love the blues because blue's my favorite color. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. I love the hood. I love the drawstrings here. It's got a pocket here in the front as well. Isn't that adorable? It's called Sisstrevolution. I got a size medium in that. Super, super nice. This color block is awesome. All right, next up we have, oh my goodness, these are adorable. Salty Cali, California. These are like little clips. Look at those, you guys. Let's take those out because you have to see these shells. Oh my goodness, you have to see these freaking shells. Adorable. Oh, looks like I had one come off. We can fix that easily though. But look at these. Oh my goodness. We're gonna have to fix them, but they had the little puka shells there. They're like kind of like bobby pins if you wanted to wear your hair up or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. You can see that it was kind of glued on there, but super cool idea. I love that. Love it so much. All right, next up, we've got Golden Hour Pumpkin and Hemp Seed Body Oil. That sounds amazing. This is their fall box, by the way, you guys. I forgot to mention that. So hence the pumpkin and the hemp seed body oil. This is going to transport you to the glowiest time of day, a dry oil that sinks into the skin quickly and leaves you hydrated, not greasy. Pumpkin and hemp seed with oils contain antioxidants, vitamin B, E, and 3 omega fatty acids to protect your skin's barrier while fighting free radicals and improving your skin tone. So how you'll use it is you are going to apply generously over the body and hands, massaging into your skin. It's definitely going to be, that smells good, hydration for you. Let's try it here. It is an oil, and you just rub it in. Not so sure about the smell, but I can feel that moisture sinking into my skin. I love that feeling of that. The scent isn't my favorite, but definitely a good quality oil. You can just feel that just sink right into the skin. Perfect for this transitional season for sure. All right, we've got a couple more items left. Next up is a coconut scent soy candle from Vagabond Goods. I love candles. I love coconuts. So this ought to be really freaking good. Let's go ahead and do this. Opening it up, I can smell it already. Oh my goodness. I'm destroying the box because I'm so excited. All right, so inside, oh my gosh. Look at that, adorable. It's got a little wick on top and it smells so good, you guys. Oh, I love that. That is so freaking amazing. I love the look of it too. How cute would that be in a bathroom? That is, love that. Very cute packaging too. All right, and then we've got one more item, you guys. Oh, these are adorable. Look at these coasters. Okay, these are from Salt and Umber, set of 4 coasters. I love these. Handcrafted in India from sustainable mango wood, each piece is a unique Natural work of art. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So cute. They would make a great gift. They would, you know, you could use them for yourself, whatever. I love these. There's a set of 4, made in India, handcrafted. Super, super cool. Love that. All right, you guys, so that concludes the unboxing of Beachly. Aren't you guys so excited? I'm so excited because that was a lot of freaking fun. All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick review and then we will give Beachly their very first rating. You guys ready? All right, so quick review. We've got the coasters, handcrafted in India. We've got the Golden Hour body oil. We've got the puka shell clips. We've got the adorable freaking candle. That's my favorite. We've got the super cute windbreaker type jacket. And then we've got the cozy pants. All of those items, you guys, for $99 for the quarterly subscription box. Let's go ahead and give them their very first rating. You guys ready? Let's go ahead and rate that box, rate that box, rate that box, rate that box. Okay, you guys, so when we rate the box, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box. By that, we do include the way that it's presented, the way that it's packaged, whether they have a description of the items inside the box, or some sort of way that where we can see the value of each item inside the box. We also like to see a variety of items and the price point of each item to kind of compare the price versus what you are going to be getting as far as the retail value. Base that on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being don't go there, or 10, yes queen, you need to buy this freaking box. All right, you guys, so Beachly, so much fun to open. I love the way that it was packaged. It was very fun, very bright, very much what I expected from this box. The only thing that I was a little disappointed about was there's no informational sheet inside that gives me an idea of what items are in the box. That is something that is not mandatory, but for me personally and my rating system, that's what I like to see inside the box. The variety. I love the variety of the items in this box. We've got some hair pieces, we've got some body, we've got some home items, we've got some clothing pieces. So all very, very, very good as far as the variety goes. The quality of the items, I love the quality of the clothing. I'm very, very excited about these pants because I know I'm gonna love these pants. They're so super soft. The candle is probably my favorite of all in this box. The only thing is the pumpkin oil, I probably won't use this because it's just not something that I typically would use. The smell isn't exactly my favorite, but you might really enjoy this. If you're into body oils and love pumpkin and hemp seed, this would be your freaking jam. I love the coasters. A little issue with the hair pieces, I had some of the shells come off, which isn't a big deal. I can fix them myself, but it's a little disappointing that they came that way, and maybe it needed to be packaged differently. I don't know. Overall, I'm very pleased with this box. Let's go ahead and give this box their very first rating. You guys ready? All right. You're gonna get your very first rating of a 7. You got a 7. You got a 7. You got a freaking 7. Awesome job, Beachly. Loved it. Had so much fun opening this one. I really, really did. Just a couple things that need a little bit of improvement. Other than that, loved it. So much fun. Thank you so much for sending us this box to review. If you guys are interested in this box, oh my goodness, you need to check it out. I've got a code if you're interested in getting some money taken off this box for you. I will leave all of that information in the description area down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Don't forget that.